Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Ankush Bhatia and I welcome you back to the channel. It's been a long time since I have published any video because we have been busy with a lot of work, and today the topic that I have decided to speak on is wisdom tooth extraction. If you have been following us on our Instagram and Facebook page, you would be noticing that we have been doing a lot of extraction these days, especially for the wisdom teeth. Now there is a increase in wisdom teeth extraction at our practice and otherwise also for a couple of reasons. Firstly, the oral hygiene part. I always believe that it is a tooth that is difficult to maintain and difficult to keep clean. Secondly, I believe that as in how we are evolving, our diet is changing. The use of wisdom teeth, or the eight as we call it, is reducing with each passing year. With each generation, we see that the jaw size has been decreasing, and the discrepancy between the tooth size and the jaw size is increasing. So this is the reason why most of the wisdom teeth these these days are either impacted or they are partially erupted. That becomes one of the prime reason for any extraction. So the primary reason why I feel that the extraction has gone up is because even if you do a good root canal, the tooth actually has to be taken care of. The hygiene has to be maintained, even around the crown, even around any restoration. So I feel that it is actually very difficult for anybody to maintain the hygiene as far as wisdom tooth is concerned, and um, I always believe that a tooth should be knocked off if it's not gonna be a strategic tooth for near future. So this is the reason why we have been doing a lot of extractions. I'll be sharing with you one of the short clips of an extraction we had done a few days back, and I hope this video helps you make a decision as to why your dentist or us would be advising you to get the wisdom tooth removed. Thank you.